Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hey everybody, it's Builder Rick here. I got another video for you. Alright, so when you're in a tiny home, you want to save as much money as possible. And then you can put that money in savings instead of giving it to somebody else. But I want to show you this. Look at this. Hebrew National Kosher Beef Hot Dogs at the grocery store, $7.87. Let's call it $8. And you get 6 of them. And it's 10.3 ounces. Not even a pound. That's a hell of a price to pay. So that's probably right around $13, $14 a pound. Isn't that insane? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make our own hot dogs. All right, look at this. A copycat recipe for Hebrew National. Okay? Anyway, there are your ingredients. So you type in how many grams. I don't like the way they set this up. It's grams. So I got to go and convert everything to teaspoons and pounds. Anyway, we're going to make 6 pounds, which is like 2,700 grams. And then we convert all those. And it changes automatically. So let's go up here. Oops. Am I shooting that? Let's go 2750. And that's like 6 pounds. And it changes all of your measurements. Salt, Instacure white pepper, turbinado sugar. I don't use any kind of sugar. Garlic powder, mace, coriander powder, dried marjoram. That's the same thing as oregano. So celery seed, mustard powder, smoked paprika, potato starch or dried powder milk, and ice water. That's about 3 cups of ice water. Okay, let's move into the kitchen. This is about 3 pounds of beef. So we had ground beef, and then we used our meat grinder. This guy right here. I think we paid like maybe $85 for this one. Ultra. It's got some attachments that go to it, and then we got this hot dog maker, and we have our skin for the hot dogs. And man, I'm telling you what, these hot dogs are so delicious. And it costs us $3 a pound for the meat, as opposed to paying $14. So here at the house, we've got, we're gonna make our own Hebrews. So we're getting almost 5 times cheaper than going to the store. This plate is to catch your wieners, put on collagen. Now we want to try some sheepskin, sheep intestines. There we go. You slide that on, and look at that. You put on maybe, I don't know, 10 feet. We're going to cut that. And then we cut it down the middle, like that, and make 2 strings out of it. And we're going to tie a knot. All right, we're going to load in meat. I mean, it already smells like hot dog meat. Now that's been in the fridge overnight for 24 hours because you got to let that curing salt. That's the curing salt. And that's so you don't get botulism and die. So you put that salt in there for 24 hours, and then you just spoon your meat in. It's better to do it when it's cold because otherwise it'll get really greasy. When we're done loading this, look at that. It looks like a giant caulking gun. And it just mounts right here on this little table. Just right there. Go ahead, pop a hole in it. Just a little pin. There you go. Oh, you tore it. Right there, you crank on that thing. There you go. Look at that. I'd go 6 inches. Whoa.
No, keep going.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you're supposed to do the whole thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Well, that's right. We changed it up a bit. We used to twist them immediately. I forgot about this. This is new. Way cheaper than fine packaged Hebrew Nationals. Now, I got nothing against Hebrew National. I love those hot dogs. But we have the ability to make these at the house. So we know what kind of ingredients are in it. I'm going to cut that and tie that off. There you go. Make it bigger. All right.
Right here.
Sure, I'd go like every 6 inches. Look at that. What a pro. And then right there where those pinches are, that's where you put your hanger so you can hang it in your smoker. Check that out. I think we're going to start a wiener business. You're going to have to speed this up because I'm getting hungry watching this.
Damn.
What's that, 6? Wow. And I can see that it wasn't all that packed, but now that he's twisting them, it's starting to get a little tighter. How many? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9.5, we'll call it. Look who's hungry. Look at Zink staring at the dogs. Okay, guys, this is 3 pounds. 3 pounds. That 3 pounds times 3, that's $9 in meat. Now, if you do this with Hebrew National out of the package, it's going to cost you about $36, $37 for the same amount. And we got 3 more pounds to go. So that's going to be like $72
Yeah, that's professional.
worth of Hebrew Nationals. And we're making it ourselves. Look at him. What do you want? Huh?
All right, let's get a new plate.
All right, there we go. That's the 3 pounds right there. And we just hung those. Look at that. And now we're going to smoke them. What a professional.
You getting tired?
Oh, look at that. That's about $72 worth of Hebrew Nationals if you bought them at the store.
Got one more.
All right. We got a single dog in there.
Happened to this.
You can put it on the side.
All right.
Probably going to burn.
Is that it? Yep.
All right.
Make sure. All right. Flip.
Yeah, thermometer. Over here.
Twist it. Keep going.
There you go.
That's
Just
it.
set it down. All right. Gotta get that thing up there. All right. All right. I gotta put some wood on so I can start the smoking.
Oh, don't do that yet.
But look at that. It is smoking. Yeah, look at that. All right. So we got some pear wood in there. A little bit of, probably some mesquite. A little bit. What I did was I took a bunch of leftover chips and put them in there. Man, it's pumping out now. Those are gonna be tasty. All right, we got about another half an hour to go. Okay, I think we're ready. Oh, look at that.
You gotta put it on.
Look at that. Oh, Brad, can you bend down and see?
Go ahead.
Oh, the master. Oh, look at those hot dogs.
There we go. Oh, it's heavy.
Man.
Oh,
Okay. Let me get the door. Okay, look at that. This one's full of juice. Look at that. Ooh, some of them got burnt. It's fine. Oh boy, that was so good. All right, guys, there you go. I put 2 hot dogs on each bun. I'm cheating with some ketchup. I'm not supposed to have it. And we got pickles and sauerkraut with onions. Mmm, that looks good. All right, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.